Hey guys, I'm the cook's assistant and today we're making the Worm Crunchies from RuneScape. In a large bowl we already have some fridge cold butter cut into pieces, to which we're going to add some caster sugar. We're then going to do our best to combine these with the aid of our trusty wooden spoon, whilst trying not to redecorate our house with butter and sugar. Once these have been sufficiently combined, our mixture should resemble a rough buttercream, at which point we're going to gently sprinkle in, on second thoughts, let's just chuck all of our flour in. It's our wooden spoon's time to shine again, and this time we're looking for all of the butter, sugar and flour to just about be combined. So there may be a few lumps as we don't want to overwork this, but as long as it's an even colour, we should be good to go. We can always check this though by squeezing together some of our mixture. If it forms a lump, it's good to go. We're just going to gently work this into a ball of some sort now, as this is going to need to chill in the fridge for a bit before we can bake it. We need to be careful not to knead this like bread dough though, as the last thing we want is overworked dry crunchies. There we go. Now it's time to flatten our ball of dough to make it easier to roll out later, at which point it will be time for some cling film and a quick trip to the fridge. It's been half an hour or so now, and our dough has firmed up nicely, so starting from the middle and applying a bit of pressure. Oh, let me just flour the rolling pin too. As I was saying, we just want to start in the middle and roll this out a little bit at a time, making sure that we turn our dough 90 degrees occasionally to make sure that it rolls out evenly. So let's quickly roll this out until our dough is roughly 1 centimetre thick. Perfect. In the depths of our cupboard we found a biscuit cutter that we forgot we owned, which should make our crunchies the perfect size. Let's just cut all of these out before placing them on a baking tray that we've lined with a sheet of greaseproof paper. We want to make sure that they're evenly spread so that they have a chance to rise a little. And let's just get rid of whatever that is. Now off to the oven they go. Our crunchies have been out of the oven about 5 minutes and they're still warm, so now's a great time to place some gummy worms on them, which should stick due to the heat. What, you didn't think I was going to use real worms, did you? I'm really happy with how these look. It's a shame that Halloween parties aren't really on the cards this year because I definitely have these at mine. That doesn't mean we can't pretend though, right? Let's give one of these a try, if my teeth will bite through the gummy worm. These are pretty good as worm biscuits go. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you soon.